In this video we're going to show that tan A plus B equals tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A multiplied by tan B. Before we start, we need to remember this. Tan A equals sine A over cos A. And likewise, tan A plus B equals sine A plus B over cos A plus B. Okay, so we need to know that. Right. Okay. The next thing we need to remember then, and it's something we've already derived, and that is that sine A plus B equals sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And we found that out already, we've derived it. And also we need to know that cos A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Right, so we need to know that as well. And we should know it because we're already after deriving these formulas in past videos. Okay, so looking at this, and specifically this bit, right, we want to prove that tan A plus B is this. The first thing I can say is that tan A plus B is actually the same as sine A plus B over cos A plus B. And I'm getting that from here. I could also say tan A plus B equals, and now I'm going to look at this, sine A plus B. Well, sine A plus B is this. Okay? So I'm going to change that. So instead of saying sine A plus B, I'm going to write sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And likewise, cos A plus B is this. So I'd rewrite that as cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this again, okay, but I'm going to give myself a bit of space. So I have tan A plus B. This time I'm going to write the sine A cos B just a little bit up from the line. You'll see why in a second. Cos A sine B. And I'll write this one here. So cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So I'm just after rewriting this, but I'm after leaving a bit of space here. Okay. Right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this all by cos A cos B. And I'm going to divide this by cos A cos B. Okay. So if we go back, just see what I've done. I have my tan A plus B. I can rewrite that as this. I can rewrite that then as this using this information. I write it out, but I give myself a bit of space. Why do I give myself a bit of space? So I can divide the numerator and the denominator both by cos A cos B. Right. Now I'm going to rewrite this again. Tan A plus B equals, and I'm going to say sine A cos B over cos A cos B plus cos A sin B over cos A cos B, and that is over cos A cos B over cos A cos B minus sin A sin B all over cos A cos B. Now that looks a bit of a mess, right? All that is really is this wrote differently. I've just taken this cos A cos B, and instead of having all of this over the one denominator, I've just split it. Okay, so it's over this, this over this. Okay, rather than having both of these over the cos A cos B. Right, so it's just writing it a different way, and you'll see why I do that now. And it's just a matter of practicing this and getting it into your head. Okay, now, so I have this bit of a mess here, and it does look messy, right? But it's actually not too bad, and you'll see in a sec. Let's just see what I want this to look as. I want it to look like this. So tan A plus tan B. So I'm just going to write here to the side what I want it to look like. So tan A plus B equals tan A, here we look back up, plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. So that's what I want this all to look like. Now it doesn't look anything like it so far, but it will. So let's take this bit first. I want that to look like just tan A. Well, the first thing I can do is I have a cos B here and a cos B, so they can cancel each other out. So now I'm left with sin A cos A. Now let's look back up here. Sin A over cos A is actually equal to tan A. So that's great. I can substitute this with tan A. And let's look over here then. I want that to look like tan B. Well, I have a cos A and a cos A, so they'll cancel each other out. And I have a sin B over cos B. But look, again, sin A over cos A is tan A. So sin B over cos B will be tan B. So that's great. So we've the numerator looking like this. Brilliant. Next up then we have cos A cos B over cos A cos B. This is going to be 1. Okay, so it's the same numerator as denominator. So we will get 1. That's exactly what we have here. And lastly then, over on this side, well, we have sin A cos A. If you look back here, sin A cos A is tan A. So that would be tan A. And likewise, we've sin B over cos B, which will be tan B. So if I was to rewrite that, it would be tan A plus B equals, and now what I have in green, tan A plus tan B all over 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, so I can say therefore tan A plus B equals tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, and that's it. That's it done with. Okay, thanks.